Tired of payroll headaches stealing your time and sanity? Let's dive into QuickBooks Desktop Payroll and see if it's the key to your payroll peace. First, let's talk features. QuickBooks Desktop Payroll lets you easily process payroll, calculate taxes, and create paychecks. You can handle direct deposit, track employee hours, and manage deductions all in one place. Need reports? It's got you covered. Generate payroll summaries, tax reports, and employee earnings statements with just a few clicks. This makes tax season less of a nightmare. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. QuickBooks Desktop Payroll offers different plans, so it's crucial to compare them and choose the one that best fits your business size and needs. Be sure to factor in any add-on costs, like for tax form filings. User experience matters, and QuickBooks Desktop generally has a straightforward interface, especially if you're already familiar with other QuickBooks products. However, payroll regulations can be tricky, so be prepared to spend some time learning the ropes. Ultimately, QuickBooks Desktop Payroll is a solid option for businesses already using QuickBooks for accounting, but weigh its features, pricing, and user experience against other payroll software to make the best decision for your company. So, is QuickBooks Desktop Payroll right for you? Hopefully, this quick overview has given you a better understanding of its capabilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips.